If your yoke cuts through your darts, there's a different way to do things, or slightly more things to consider. So in order to create a yoke that's maybe more like a contoured waistband, we can begin by adding an internal line. We might have to do some measurements to make sure it's the same. Or we can also do an offset line. So if we select all of our lines here and select all of our lines and do an offset internal line, let's say at 2 inches, it creates an internal line at a certain distance from all of our waistline measurements. So that's a nice, fast way to create equivalent lines. We can then select all those lines and cut them. Okay, and now we can create our curved or contoured waistband by merging those lines together. So I'm going to do select and right click on my centerpiece. Again, select my 2 lines with a shift, click on my piece I'd like to remain stationary and merge those together. This creates quite a curved waistband. So I can then go in and smooth curve that. Again, aiming for right angles. And again, smooth curve this. And again, aiming for right angles. You don't want to adjust the curve so much that this goes significantly beyond 2 inches, and you might want to check that distance as well. From here, you can then either rotate these dart pieces to the hem, which is kind of fun, gives some fullness. Oops. We'll rotate those down to the hem, the remaining bits of that piece. Those darts, close those up. And again, rotate this. Close them up and eliminate the dart intake. And we can make some adjustments at the side seam as well. Again, if you do your smooth curve function at the hem, it does a good job of smoothing out all those dart points. And again at the waistline.